Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen a knife using a sharpening stone. This stone that I have right here has two sides. Side 1 is finer for giving the fine finishing touch to the knife, and this coarser side does most of the job. So before starting, I have already soaked this stone for about 15 minutes inside the water. And now I'll start with the coarser side. So I have this wet towel duster right here. I'll place my stone right above it so that it does not move while I sharpen it. My knife right here is a Santoku knife, which is a Japanese cook knife. This knife is pretty cheap because it is a carbon steel knife, but it works for me. So I'll start by pouring a little bit of water right above the coarser section of the stone. And I will place my knife at a 20-degree angle. And while I pull this knife towards myself, I will apply the pressure, placing my 3 fingers right above the knife blade, cutting edge. I will start pulling it and then pushing it. But remember, while you pull it, you need to apply the pressure and be very soft and gentle while pushing it away, while you go against the blade, cutting edge. So I will also count how many times I have pulled it. So starting with 10 counts: 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, followed by the other side. I will make sure that my coarser side of the stone is always moist. Now, following the same steps while I push it away. So, I will start with the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, like you can see, it has this cutting edge right here. We need to feel the whole blade. The cutting edge should be even from the tip of the knife to the bottom. Now, doing the same thing with the finest side of the stone. I'll do the same thing. Pour some water. Pull and push 10 times. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again some water. Do the same thing with the opposite side of the knife. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That is it. We can sharpen the knife we can increase the count according to our preferences. For example, I sharpened this knife about a week ago, so it is still good to go. All I need to do is give a bit of touch up every time. Now I will use a steel, which is used for giving the finishing touch to the blade. I'll keep the stone aside. and use a honing steel. Remember, most of the sharpening is done only through a stone. The steel is just for giving the finishing touch to the blade. I will also keep counting how many strokes I have pulled each side. That is it. Can you make out the difference? And my knife is good to